Do you want access to models such as GPT-5, Cloud Opus 4.1, Gemini 2.5 Pro with unlimited pro searches, file uploads, AI image generation, all free for an entire year? Yes, you heard it right. Perplexity Pro's 1 year subscription valued at $200 is completely free. Stick around and in next few minutes, I'll show you how to get it with your PayPal or Venmo account. And if you watch till the very end, I've got two crucial bonus tips that you absolutely don't want to miss. These tips will not only save you money, but also unlock even more power from your Perplexity Pro account. Let's get started.
Now we need to go to Perplexity and create an account. Then we pick the free of cost subscription. Now all we need to do is go to this website perplexity.ai/join/PayPal subscription and then claim the 12 months of Perplexity Pro. I have also dropped the link in my description. Then we need to log into our PayPal. Here, after logging into our PayPal, we'll get a window. In this window, all we have to do is accept the offer. And then you will be free to use your Perplexity Pro for the entire 1 year.
But are you one of those who neither have a PayPal nor a Venmo yet, but would still like to have the Perplexity Pro for free? Don't worry, I got you covered. Create your PayPal account, keep it active, and in good standing condition for 30 consecutive days. Then go back there, and then you would easily be claiming your free year of Perplexity Pro. The sign up link is in my description. Make sure you do it soon as the deal ends 31st December 2025.
Now, if you're on the mobile app, spot this offer. You will be redirected to a page which just asks you to claim this 12 months of Perplexity Pro. And then you can quickly log in and enjoy the benefits.
Now, as promised, the two bonus tips. First, just after claiming the deal, make sure you go to the Perplexity billing settings and cancel automatic renewal. In that way, you keep the full 12 months free and you won't be charged when the subscription ends. As for the second tip, remember with your Perplexity Pro account, you not only unlock premium AI features, you also get exclusive early access to the Comet browser. It is one of the best AI-powered browser available right now. If you're curious about what Comet can do, check out my next video in this playlist. I've already covered everything you need to know about making the most of Comet to automate your daily tasks. There you have it. Enjoy your 12 month of Perplexity Pro for free. If this video helped you out, I would really appreciate if you can hit the like and subscribe for more AI related content and deals. See you in the next one.